In this video, we'll write the balanced net ionic equation for HCl plus BaCO3. This is hydrochloric acid plus barium carbonate. The first thing we need to do when we're writing net ionic equations, we need to balance the molecular equation. I can see there's two chlorines here and just one here. So if I put a 2 in front of the HCl, that balances the chlorines. It looks like everything else is balanced as well. So that's the balanced molecular equation. Next, we need to write the states for each substance. Hydrochloric acid, strong acid, it's going to dissociate into its ions. We're going to call this aqueous. Barium carbonate. Carbonates are often insoluble. So in this case, barium carbonate, it is insoluble. That means it's a solid. So we have our barium carbonate. Chloride's very soluble if you know your solubility rules. Water's a liquid. And then carbon dioxide, that is a gas. So we have our states. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into their ions, and that'll give us the complete ionic equation. On the periodic table, hydrogen's in group 1. It has a 1 plus charge. Chloride ion, 1 minus. So we have 2 hydrogen ions, 2H plus, and I won't write aqueous each time. Let's do that at the end. 2 chloride ions. And then we don't split solids apart in net ionic equations. So this is just BaCO3, barium carbonate. For the products over here, barium group 2 on the periodic table at 2 plus, we said the chloride ions 1 minus. So we have the Ba 2 plus ion, the barium ion, plus 2 of these chloride ions. 2Cl minus. We don't split liquids apart, so just H2O. And we don't split gases apart, so just CO2. So this is the complete or total ionic equation. Now we can cross out these spectator ions. They're on both sides. Let's see, we have the reactants and the products. I see that we have 2 chloride ions here in the reactants and then 2 in the products. So those are spectator ions. We can cross those out, but everything else is unique. So that makes this the net ionic equation for hydrochloric acid plus barium carbonate. I'll clean it up and write the states in. We'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the balanced net ionic equation for HCl plus BaCO3. You note that charge is conserved. We have 2 times 1 plus. So we have 2 plus in the reactants. And then in the products, we have this 2 plus here. So charge is the same. If you count the atoms up, they'll be balanced as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for hydrochloric acid plus barium carbonate. Thanks for watching.